First woman-led unicorn. Nykaa became the first woman-led Indian unicorn to go public. Founder Falguni Nayar also became the richest self-made female billionaire. First Indian startup to turn unicorn in 6 months. Speaking of unicorns, Mensa Brands became the fastest Indian startup to become one. Ex-Myntra CEO Anant Narayan's brand Edugator took only 6 months to get there. First openly gay judge soon. Saurabh Kripal may soon be our first openly gay judge. He is likely to be appointed to the Delhi High Court after being recommended by a 3-member Supreme Court collegium, making history for the LGBTQ community. First smog tower. This first was a dubious destination. The country's first smog tower was installed in Delhi's Connaught Place, but with pollution touching historical levels this year, experts pointed out that this was powering a very expensive thimble of the water on a raging fire. First woman fighter pilot in Republic Day Parade. This year also saw the first woman fighter pilot. Flight Lieutenant Bhavana Kant take part in Republic Day Parade. First person with dwarfism to get a driving license. Gatipalli Sivpal became the first person with dwarfism to get a driving license in India. The 42-year-old now plans to open up a driving school for people with disabilities. First start to sell NFTs. NFTs are perhaps one of the most 2021 concepts. It's something we don't really understand, but the absurdity of which we readily accept. Many leveraged the new idea, but the first star among them was Amitabh Bachchan, who launched an NFT collection that celebrates his work. First privacy legal battle against WhatsApp. WhatsApp received its first legal challenge in India through a petition in the Delhi High Court. Due to its controversial privacy policy, WhatsApp eventually told the High Court that it won't compel users to accept the policy. First trans doctor to run a COVID center. Dr. Aska Sheikh is the first transgender doctor to run a vaccination center. The 38-year-old told reporters, "I could be the first, but I don't want to be the last. I hope the other reason that trans people face in society ends soon." First time India has more women than men. The 5th National Family and Health Survey carried out between 2019 and 2021 has found that India now has 1,020 women per every 1,000 men. First drone attack. In June, a drone dropped 2 IEDs on an IAF station in Jammu. First Indian village to be 100% vaxxed. India's first village to complete 100% adult vaccination was the small village of Wayan in Jammu and Kashmir, Bandipora district. The adult population of 362 was totally vaccinated thanks to the efforts of local healthcare workers. First government school to launch satellite. A government boys' school in Malleswaram, Bengaluru became the first state-run school to launch a satellite. First group to scale difficult MT Manda. A climbing group of Pune called Giri Premi made history by scaling the 6,510 meters peak mountain Manda first in Himalayas using a notoriously difficult route. First Indian postman to deliver mail on an e-bike. Dakia Dak Laya using e-bikes, 15 Bengaluru postal workers became the first in the country to deploy e-bikes to deliver mail in first of its kind pilot program. First hemp house. A unique house made up of hemp has come in Uttarakhand, made by an architect couple. The all-green house comes decked out with solar panels and a 5,000-liter underground water harvesting facility. First Indian woman to hit 10,000 runs milestone. Mithali Raj became the first Indian woman cricketer to score 10,000 runs in international cricket. England's Charlotte Edward is the only other woman cricketer to have achieved this feat. First gender-neutral school uniform. The Balussery Government Girls Higher Secondary School in Kerala became the first government school to introduce gender-neutral uniforms. The school allowed girls to switch from churidar kurta and skirts to shirts and trousers. First big Me Too win. Journalist Priya Ramani versus MJ Akbar was the first high-profile Me Too win. Ramani was accused of defamation and the trial court recognized a woman's right to complain against workplace harassment even after decades, setting an important precedent. First IMDb top film. Tamil film Jai Bhim on caste injustice beat Shawshank Redemption to become one of the highest rated movies on IMDb. NDA doors open for the first time after the SC opened the doors of the NDA to women. Over 1,000 of them, 12.5%, cleared the entrance exam. Bye bye 2021.